Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hana Furaidah, and today I will explain to you about inclusive and differentiated for English language teaching. So what is actually is inclusive? Inclusive is one of the approach to create an open environment for everyone with different background and condition, such as different characteristic, physical appearance, mental status, ethnic culture, and what is the aim of inclusive education? So the aim is to give a change, wider change for every learner that have a physical disability, emotional, mental, and social, or even an intelligent potential, or even different special talent. The main key of the principle of inclusive education is how every learner can learn, and the different make them a power to develop their potential. And there are several model or instructional design for inclusive learning. The first model is escalation or acceleration. So this program is like we have accelerate or give more wider sight on case of time and material. This model is for the student who have a high intelligent potential and special ability. The second one is duplicate. This model that means that the curriculum that we give for a special student is the same as the curriculum that we use for a normal student. And the third one is simplification or modification. So this curriculum that we use for normal student is we modified it, we simplify it without but still have the same point, same meaning, and the same goal. And we just make the student adapt, and we create the material based on the student need. The fourth one is substitution. So it means that there are several parts of the curriculum that we change it into something that based on the student needs. For example, if there are activities such as hearing or listening class, it's impossible for student who deaf joining the class, so we can change it into something different, such as writing a story or creating something. And the next one is omission. So that means that there are several aspects in the curriculum that we change it into something, not change it, it's like we just delete it or erase it based on the characteristic and the learner's needs. So the next one I will explain to you about inclusive education in Indonesia. There are several models. The first one is regular class. It means that there are disability and normal student in the same class studying together. And the second one is the regular class with cluster. It means that the disability student and the normal student in the same class, but there are a special cluster or special group for the disability student. And the third one is regular class with pull out. It means that the disability student and normal student in the same class, but sometimes we need to pull out the disability student into special class when they have special material. And the fourth one is regular class with cluster and pull out. It means that a normal student and disability student in the same class, but there are special cluster for disability student, and sometimes we need to pull them out into the special class. And the fifth one is special class with integration. It means that disability student learn in the special class in the regular school, but there are several lesson they can learn together with normal student. And the sixth one is full special class. It means that disability student in the special class. Sometimes it can be in the regular school, but they can get to a special school. And everyone, to support inclusive education, the first step is identifying children with special needs. So this identification can be done by the parents, teacher, or educational professionals. And we're looking for signs of difference in physical, intellectual, social, emotional, or behavioral development. So identifying this early helps us plan the right support for those learners. And there are 5 main goals for identification. The first is screening. This is to spot children who show signs of developmental difference. The second is referral, where we refer these children to professionals like psychologists, doctor, or therapists for further support. Next, we have classification to confirm whether a child truly has a special needs. Then instructional planning, which helps us to create an individualized learning plan. And lastly, monitoring. This means checking the child's progress to see if the learning plan is working and making improvement if needed. Now let's move on to the differentiated instruction. This is a teaching method where educators tailor. Now let's move on to differentiated instruction. This is a teaching method where educators can create their approach or developing their approach to meet the student's need. According to Renzulli, there are 5 dimensions of differentiation, such as content, process, product, classroom organization, and teacher commitment. Differentiating contents means changing what student learns. For example, some students might need simpler text, while others are ready for more complex material. The key is providing access to learning that matches each student's ability and interest. Next is the process, or how the student learns. This can be adapted using strategies such as the first one is tiered activities, and like the task is in the difference level or difficulty. The second one is learning centers. It's like the station with various activities. The third one is interactive journals, like giving them a personal reflection between the student and the teacher. And the next one is graphic organizers. It's like visual aids to help to structures ideas. And the next one is jigsaw activities. So the student learns part of a topic and teach it to peers. And the last one is manipulative. It's like physical tools to help them to learn. These activities can be adjusted based on their readiness, interest, or learning profiles. Not only that, differentiated product refer to the outcomes or assessments. For instance, instead of only a written test, student might create a video or write a poem or build a model to show their understanding. And finally, the learn environment also matters. Some students need quiet place and the other work best in groups. Differentiating the environment means arranging the classroom in ways that support how students can be focused and learn in their best situation. Okay, that's all I have. Inclusive and differentiated ELT is about recognizing and embracing the difference. It's about how we create a classroom where all the students feel valued and are given the best chance to succeed. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and let's continue supporting every learner in every way we can. Thank you and goodbye.